Welcome to Reflective Fashion Production. My name is Monica.
And I'm Maliyah.
And you're watching
Mondays with Monica and Maliyah.
So today what we're going to do is we're going to actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to talk a little bit about Like, Love, and Luxury. That is a series that we have here on Reflective Fashion Production. So basically when I started Like, Love, Luxury, I was using Paul Mitchell's products and I just wanted to learn a little bit more about them. So in this episode of Mondays with Monica and Maliyah, we're actually going to use some Paul Mitchell products. I am going to tell you about the Tea Tree line, and this is Lavender Mint. Now, I can't talk today. Now, in a previous video, I actually used Lavender Mint on Maliyah and my hair, and I didn't like it for my hair, but I did like it for Maliyah's hair, and I'm going to use that tonight, and we're going to do a twist style in her hair as well. So, I mean, we can definitely get started, but I just really wanted to talk about how Lavender Mint is one of those, it's one of those products that you will want to use if you play sports or if you're very active and you sweat a lot. I noticed that with using Lavender Mint for myself, it was more like, it made my hair like really dry in certain areas, and then it was oily in certain areas. It was just not for me. I didn't appreciate that, and I didn't like that. But for Maliyah's hair, with the fact that we do her hair every week, it balanced out everything. It definitely played a really big role in keeping moisture in her hair. So I just wanted to touch base with that, and that's what I'm going to do. In the description box, I'm going to just leave all the products that we use in her hair tonight with the Paul Mitchell products, the Tea Tree line. Now, as we are moving towards the new year, I'm not sure if this video is going to be posted for the new year or if it's going to be posted at the end of this year, which is 2021. So I just want to say this. We are going through the motions. We are definitely trying to get more content and just put things out there that are fun. Like, we have M&M Heartrate, which we're going to, you see, we talked about this. Where we rate movies.
Oh,
see?
I didn't know.
And she just, so most of the time I sit here and I'm just talking and she's just in her own little world. So I just figured that we should just go over a few things that we're going to be talking about in the month. In 1 month, you'll have 2 episodes of Mondays with Monica and Maliyah. One episode will be basically about hair. The next episode would just be us probably either taking down her hair and just giving her a protective style and talking about the movies. So if you're interested in just knowing what we think about a certain movie, you could just drop a comment below. In fact, tonight what we're going to do is we're gonna
watch Clifford.
She's so excited about that. So we're gonna rate that in
the live action one. Yeah.
The live action one.
Yeah.
Is that what it is? So we're gonna watch that tonight, and we are going to rate that, give our heart rate about that. And the way I got heart rate, the M&M Heartrate, where that came from, because Maliyah, what did we do? We did this with Halloween movies. So we were talking about the Halloween movies, and she gave one movie a score of what? Do you remember?
What movie?
The Muppets. What'd you give the Muppets?
A 3 out of 10.
Oh, she gave it a 3 out of 10. I think I gave it a bad score too.
You fell asleep.
Yeah, I fell asleep in the middle of it. I was confused. I didn't know what was going on. I was probably tired, but what I saw, whatever. I don't want to talk about it. But anyway, we definitely did rate the movies, and when you have a heart rate, your heart rate is either high or low. So if you have a high heart rate, that's amazing. If you have a low heart rate, you know.
High was bad, low is good.
High is good. Your heart rate?
Yeah. Like your regular heart rate. rate.
Your heart rate, yeah. I don't. You know what?
I'm not in physics science.
On this note, we're gonna figure this out. We'll be right back. Hold that thought.
That was you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're back, and what we figured out was, what did we figure out, Maliyah, as far as the heart rate goes?
It's for adult is 60 to 100 beats per minute, and then for a 14-year-old, it's 70 to 100 per minute. Yeah.
And though that's a normal heart rate, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's how we're going to rate these movies by heart rate. So we're calling it M&M Heartrate, and we're going to actually update the website every month, so you will see like the movies that we give a heart rate to, and then also we'll have a list. It's going to be really fun, like once we get everything organized and put together and structured, because that's what we're looking for, is structure.
Also on December 4th, I got 10 hours of sleep.
So we actually got some smartwatches for Christmas, right? We got them for Christmas. That's our Christmas present.
Kind of like a Thanksgiving present, because we got them before the Thanksgiving. But anyway.
Early Christmas present, Thanksgiving present, New Year's present.
Something present.
Yeah, we treated ourselves to a
new phone and watches.
Yeah, new phone and new watches. But so that actually records our sleeping, and it actually records. Was it record?
Someone snoring.
Is it you?
No, it's you. You snore louder than I do.
Okay. Yeah, because I be tired, y'all. I be tired. And it's actually pretty funny. I be listening to it sometimes. But I guess you listen to it all the time. So.
Well, yeah, when I'm forced to be upstairs.
Anyway, so that's what's going on. That's what's happening with us. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually get into taking care of Maliyah's hair. What you have done to your hair? Oh, the braids. You had those braids. So did you like those braids? Kind of? Yeah. Would you get that hairstyle again, or would you want something different?
Something different. I felt bald.
You feel bald?
I felt bald.
Why did you feel bald?
I don't know. And I kind of tried to twist my hair up a little bit, but that didn't work. So.
Why didn't it work? What were you doing?
I was just twisting it up and studying for my exam that I had for history today.
Oh, okay.
Which I gotta see on.
You gotta see. Well, congratulations. Just gotta study a little more, right?
Yeah.
Would you like a head massage, ma'am?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm gonna give Maliyah a light head massage. It's been a minute. I need a hair massage too.
I need a body massage.
Me too. Okay. So that just helped get that. Oh, sorry.
See, I told you, I tried.
All right. Okay. Today is going to be an interesting episode. We have to figure out if we are going to post this pre-December or after December. So, actually, you know what? We might. I don't know. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to give Maliyah a little poo-poo and shampoo.
Oh.
Little poo. A little poo-poo. You need a little poo-poo.
I don't like that.
You don't like that? Why?
Because it sounds like I need to poo.
What?
Like, go. Poo.
Go number 2?
Yes, in the bath, in the toilet.
Poo-poo. No, like poo, like, oh, poo, like Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah, but when you said poo-poo, it sounded weird.
Shampoo. You need a little sham? You need a little sham? You like that?
No.
Okay. Well, we're gonna give her a little shampoo. A little shampoo. A little conditioner. A little rub down with the oil.
3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll be right back.
Really? Well, I guess we have been watching movies. We didn't realize how late it was, but we got some great. Oh, look. I'm leaving it in there. I'm leaving it in there.
How rude of you.
Anyway, so we're going to, you know, have an assessment of the movies that we watch. We're actually in the middle. I'm finishing up Harry Potter, so we're gonna rate Harry Potter. In fact, we're gonna have a
Harry Potter rate.
We're gonna have a video just about Harry Potter, to talk about Harry Potter, because I actually really enjoyed it. It's not bad so far. So far, so good. I'm just hiding what's in the bag.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah. Okay, there you go. Oh my God. Yes, we're just trying to make sure that we don't get copyrighted, because lately, if you notice, we haven't been putting music in front of our videos or anything like that, because every time something goes up, I get monetized or copyrighted, and I don't really need that in my life normally. Is, but it's been real fun.
I need sleep.
Yeah, because we've been here for a really long time. We were just hanging out. We watched Clifford and
Peter Rabbit 2.
which I don't know why I thought it was Hop 2. Is there a Hop 2? Okay, I just made that up. So I was real upset at the beginning of the movie, because I was like, what is going on? I was upset. So we gonna have to really.
She was big mad. So.
I was real mad. I was real mad. I almost gave it a 3, because I was like, what? But it wasn't.
I straight up said, let's watch Peter Rabbit 2, and you was like, okay. And then you was like, what? They changed Peter Rabbit? And no, you were thinking a whole nother movie.
I was thinking of a whole nother movie. I was upset. I was upset. I was real upset. I was like, I gotta watch Peter Rabbit 1, because I don't. And then it started to jog my memory as we were in the middle of the movie, which is why
I can't watch movies with her.
No, we could watch movies together, just not sequels. I have a problem with sequels because I'm old school. You know, I like to watch the old movie first and then go that way. But the one movie that I actually really did like, which we were supposed to have a video about that, and yeah, that didn't follow through. But I actually really enjoyed Space Jam: The Legacy. You see that face? So we're gonna rate that too. We'll rate that too. But this has been really fun. Maliyah just has a little. She got twist at the top and then twist on the side. So
my hair wasn't corroborating what she was trying to do.
Well, no, because her hair is still kind of straight at the end, so she can wear that and then wear her hair twisted out, and then the following week we gonna hit it with the Maliyah's crown, and then it should act right. I just actually need to get some ingredients for Maliyah's crown. That's one of the things that I encourage people to do. You should at least have 2 different types of hair products when you're doing your hair. Maliyah's crown is all natural, so sometimes there different products will help, but at the same time you want to make sure that you're nourishing your hair and you're using that oil.
If we have that little blooper thing that we always do, there's a lot of bloopers in this one. So yeah, enjoy.
Yeah, it's a lot of bloopers, but the beginning of I actually left that in here when I kicked the stand.
Heartrate.
Okay, so anyway, you want to make sure that you're moisturizing your hair and you actually, you know, tie your hair up. That's one of the things that I've been on her about. I've been making sure that I tie this up as well, and I'm actually take care of this tomorrow, hopefully, because woo, don't do that. Okay, well maybe we should do a video and Maliyah could do my hair again. It's been a minute.
Wait, like what am I doing to your head?
What do you want to do to it?
I don't know. Comment down below what I should do to her hair.
That's it. Yeah. Because nobody likes to comment. They'll watch, but they won't comment. Or they'll tell me, oh yeah, I seen your video.
I should ask my friends.
You should.
Give me my phone. Pass me my phone, please.
Yeah, so comment below, you know, like, comment, and subscribe. And in the new year, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have her do my hair.
You said my part.
I did.
Sharing is caring.
We'll see you guys soon.
Oh, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh yeah, but I'm posting this. Wait.
A week before Christmas, so that's why I'm saying it, because I'm not going to say it next time.
Oh yeah. So have a great holiday. Great holidays. Happy holidays to everybody. If you don't celebrate Christmas,
Happy Hanukkah and
joyous Kwanzaa.
Yeah, joyous Kwanzaa.
But I think Hanukkah passed.
It's 8 days of it. They do 8.
Yeah, but I think Hanukkah just passed. Well, happy holidays, everybody. We'll see you guys soon.
Catch you on the flip side.
And have a marvelous day.
Cut this off. Cut it off. You're done.
You didn't like
it. You're done.
You didn't like it.
No, you're done.